Hi, and welcome back to Always Dolls. Today we are crafting freshly picked strawberries and blueberries for our city market stall. This craft is simple and quick, a great place for beginners. So, let's get making! For the basket printable, go to My Sewing Kit on YouTube. I highly encourage you to check out her channel as there are many fabulous crafts to try. I followed the instructions and the baskets turned out perfectly. To make the berries, use air dry clay. Mix blue and purple clay for the blueberries. This will give the clay a richer, deeper tone and help the berries look more realistic. For the base, press your clay into the basket. You will need to put a sheet of cling wrap between the clay and the cardstock if you wish to remove the berries later. You want to mould the clay into a domed shape on top. Take a tiny pinch of clay and roll it between your fingers. You can also roll the clay on a non-stick surface to help achieve those perfect little spheres. You will need lots of blueberries, so call in helpers for this step. Next, take the dull side of an X-Acto blade and gently press an X shape into the top of each berry. While the clay is still tacky, clump your berries together. You want to form a cluster big enough to cover the top of your basket. Now place this over the dome and lightly press down for a good connection. Lift the clay out of the basket and let it dry completely. To make strawberries, take a bigger pinch of red clay, about the size of your thumbnail, and roll it into a ball. Using your palm, slightly cup your hand and begin stretching the clay to form a cone shape. With your finger, roll just the tip of the strawberry to accentuate the peaked end. Now make many. And remember, no two strawberries are exactly alike. With a stylus tool, put tiny dots into the body of the strawberry. You want to press lightly so as not to misshape your clay. You could use a toothpick for this step, just be careful not to push too far into the clay. Set them aside for 10 minutes to firm up. Now we can start to fill our basket. When you get to the top of the basket, take time to arrange the strawberries so they are not all facing the same direction. You want it to look organic. Check your strawberries are about the same height as the blueberries we made earlier. For leaves, I am using green cardstock and a small punch. If you don't have something similar, you can cut the leaves by hand. For more realism, use different shades of green cardstock. Take a leaf and dip the tip into school glue or tacky glue. Arrange the leaves on your strawberries, sometimes in groups of 2 or 3. This helps the clusters look more natural. Some leaves can stick up, while others can lay flat against the berry. When you are happy with the look, let the glue and clay dry completely. That's it! Now the dolls have delicious, farm-fresh berries to sell at their market. You can also use this technique to make berries for a fruit salad, or make individual berries to decorate cakes and other sweet treats. Leave a like if you enjoyed this video, and subscribe to Always Dolls for more miniature crafting fun.